The cocaine found at the White House was left accidentally by a tourist. Suddenly the Republicans are concerned about security, which would be laughable if it were not so detestable, given how they were fine with their thugs beating up Capitol Police on January 6th and smearing feces on Capitol corridor walls. So a little perspective, please. Just ask yourself what's more important as we head toward 2024, a summer mystery about white powder, or a threatened White House restoration of white power. Please like, share and subscribe.